What we never expected happened. Alarm at 7:15 in our visitor mine. The visitor train derailed, and because of a cable fire, smoke is everywhere. 23 visitors are missing. But we are prepared. Emergency work must be practiced regularly. That saves lives. We follow the man rescue plan and notify the Tyrolean Regional Hazard Warning Center. They alert the local emergency organizations, mine rescue teams, helicopters of the Federal Armed Forces and the Tyrolean Civil Protection Services. A task force is formed and starts working with crisis software R4C. First, the mine entrances must be secured and we need a rescue strategy. Our mine has 2 entrances. 2 shafts connect both adits deep inside the mountain. Because of smoke, the lower entrance cannot be entered without breathing devices. 15 minutes after the alert, the first fire brigade arrives. They close the exit roads. We register all incoming forces with the crisis software. The fire brigade is prepared quickly to enter the mine. They know the mine, but the derailed train blocks the entrance, so they use a shaft to rope down. "30 minutes after the alarm, the mine rescue from the tungsten mine Mittersill arrives. They accompany all other mine rescue teams as local guides. The mine rescue German coal, Bytom Poland and Austria Czech Republic are also involved in this rescue training. They prepare themselves to enter the mine. The Federal Armed Forces arrive and build a hygienic tent. They also start to install 3 kilometers of communication line via cable and radio from the control center to the adit Sebastiani. The lack of communication raises our stress level. As soon as we get informations via the firefighter radio, the communication improves. The mine rescue team Tyrol and Sterzing from South Tyrol arrive. They are sent with our guides to the shafts into the mountain. Firefighters with compressed air breathing apparatuses cannot go there. 1.5 hours later, specialists of the Department of Civil Protection and Disaster Relief Tyrol arrive. Together with the state governor of Tyrol, they take operational control.
Schüler, also Lehrer und Eltern, Angehörige sind momentan vermisst.
The faster operational staff is installed, the faster people can be rescued. This is the core of the emergency plan and the core competence of the head office for mine rescue. In short intervals, more support arrives. From the Federal Armed Forces Hamuna and ECB, Südsalz Germany and the Fire Brigade Innsbruck. Their team leader get work orders and rescue equipment. With these mine rescue teams, the action can now be extended to the entrance of the adit Sebastiani. In addition to the search for missing persons, Bytom and ECB install underground telephone lines to connect with the control center. Finally, good news reached the control center. The firefighters Jochberg have found 11 people. Children are rescued first. Journalists arrive and gather informations. Press work must not be underestimated in emergency work. A first press conference is held. Three hours after the alert, at about 10 o'clock, the first helicopter arrives with the mine rescue team Salinen. A few minutes later, a Black Hawk lands with the mine rescue teams Breitenau and Terra Mystica. At 11:30, 153 rescue workers are on duty, 11 visitors saved, 8 more already found underground, 4 still missing. Particularly difficult is the rescue of 2 wounded visitors. They must be roped down a 70-meter deep shaft. Only experienced mine rescuers can execute this dangerous work. We draw 3 mine rescue teams off their quest and send them to the rope rescue as support. The mine rescue Ostrava set the derailed train back on track. Access through the main entrance is possible again. After 5 hours of hard work, all missing persons are found and taken care of. They are brought out of the mine by the exhausted mine rescue teams. At 2 p.m. we end the training. We are glad that everything is over and went well. We have achieved all aims. A total of 349 people were involved. All forces are well and we learned a lot. The training will be discussed intensively and the acquired know-how will be included in our emergency plan. Copper has been mined for over 3,000 years in the area of Jochberg. In 1926, the mine was shut down. The Granda family bought the mine and reopened it for visitors in 1990. The Granda water is also caught in this mine.